Hi there. In this video, I'm going to run you through an interesting concept in the world of digital marketing called dark patterns. Dark patterns is a term coined by Harry Brignall to identify intentionally deceptive portions of a user interface that trick users into benefiting the business. There exist several types of dark patterns, each of which are best understood in the form of examples. So, let's look at three types of dark patterns that are out there on digital platforms so that we can avoid falling prey to these unethical practices in the future. First one is called bait and switch. This typically happens when a user decides to do one thing but is tricked into doing something else which is undesirable. The most famous bait and switch example has got to be Microsoft's attempt at getting its users to upgrade their systems to Windows 10. In the screenshot, you see the small X at the top right corner, which you would typically click to close the pop up window. But Microsoft changed its meaning. Whenever a user clicked the X button, it meant, yes, I want to upgrade to Windows 10, and the upgrade would begin on its own. That was a pretty aggressive dark pattern. Let's move on to the next type of dark pattern, hidden costs. We've all been here, ready to make a purchase when, seemingly out of nowhere during the final step of the checkout process, an unforeseen charge has increased the price of your purchase to an intolerable amount. Let's compare this screenshot to this next one. What started as a $32.98 purchase somehow ends up costing $48.95, and they have the audacity to suggest that we save $17. Well, how about instead of sneaking in multiple hidden fees that bump the price up, you just roll these costs into the initial price up front or display them at the beginning of the checkout process? Seems like that would be a lot more honest and a lot less irritating. Let's move on now to the last dark pattern, which is called forced continuity. This is when a user is required to enter credit card details in order to sign up for a free trial on a website. When the trial comes to an end, they automatically start getting billed for the paid service. Websites such as UCF.com often don't give reminders that the trial period is about to end and make it really difficult to cancel the renewal by hiding any kind of cancel function. Now, that's pretty sneaky again. But now that you know how you're being digitally manipulated as a consumer, watch out for these sneaky evil businesses who will stoop down to any level to rob you not only of your money but of your privacy as well. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you think this video was helpful.